Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the giveaway winner. I will be inserting a screen recording of the random picker, and I will be doing that. And I have the Tarte custom kit. So I was going to do the purple eye look, but this just came in and I was like, well, this will be perfect. I can do both. I can do this and then do the giveaway. Excuse me. I am looking to try to get the Jeffree Star holiday boxes, and then I'll do another giveaway with that, and I'll let you know the rules for that. But for now, let's get this open. The top has my address on it, so I'm not going to show that on camera. I cut it wrong. I seem to have a problem with cutting boxes wrong. I don't understand that. They don't say cut here, they just have it taped everywhere, and you just have to guess which one to cut open. Okay, so that's the top. So here it is, plain and simple, all in here. Here you go. Okay, I'm gonna open it up. I know what I picked, but I want you guys to see what I got. This is my third one, I think. I know, maybe even fourth one. I don't know if I did a video for all four that I got. No, maybe this is just the third one. I got the Flamingo Bag one. I got the snake skin one. Pretty sure that's it. So for this one, I chose this bag. They had the Flamingo Bag on there to pick, but I was like, I already have that bag. Why would I choose that bag? So here's this one. It's nice and sparkly, and it has the, you know, transfer it. So yes, it has this fluffy, the directional sequin. So there's that. And then my first pick was different. I'm not sure what next time I will screen record when I go through and purchase. So the first thing I picked up, which I love, it's probably one of the only Tarte foundations I love, and of course it's the Foundcealer. I use this a lot. It just gives like a natural, I just love this. This is good. I never used it as a concealer, but I'm not sure if you're supposed to. Yeah, I don't know, but I love this. This is good. So I've already tried this, but I got 22N, which is light neutral. And that's where I'm about right now. Okay, so the next thing I got is the Tarte Foundcealer Brush. So I haven't had this one. Here it is. Ooh, I like it. It's pretty heavy. I like the top. Very, very dense. Very dense. Nice and soft. Right now, if I use a brush, ooh, this is gonna be nice. Look at that. Ugh. If I use a brush, I use the Love Is the foundation brush. I think that's what it's called. I think I got last year's. I did not get this year's. It sold out. I really wanted to start that. Kathleen Lights. Really like that brush, and I actually really like the really flat top. For me, I really like that, but this is kind of more rounded, like she preferred the other one. So I'm gonna try this out. So that's nice. And it just is the Foundcealer foundation brush. That's the name of it. Okay. The next thing I got was, this is my all-time favorite. All-time favorite. Is I got the, if I can open it. Oh no, I got a different one. Maybe, I don't know, maybe this is a sample size because mine's pretty big. I got the Timeless Smoothing Primer Base. It's like this. The one I have is solid on top. It smells the same. It smells like old lady. That's why I really liked it. I don't know where I know that scent from, but to me it smells like old lady. That's what it reminds me of. But I love this. It literally smooths everything out and gives you a nice base for the face. The next thing here, which I have not found a Tarte mascara I really like. This one is the Tarte Gifted, the Amazonian Clay. So they have a few lines. Like they have the clay, the Amazonian Clay. They have the Rainforest of the Sea. They have their regular, no, they have the Shape Tape line. Then they have their regular line. I don't really think this Foundcealer is a line. So they have many like different lines. So here's this. I love the blush. I don't know if I'm ever gonna hit pan on that. I really like this packaging. Look at that. Oh, it's backwards. It feels like wood or faux wood. I don't know. Let's see if it says what's this packaging made out of. Nope. Plant waxes boost volume and length, and it's in the shade black. And so let's see, let's look at the wand. I kind of just chose the, except for the smoothing primer and the Foundcealer, I wanted to choose things that I didn't have. Okay, that's a nice wand. There it is, nice and fluffy. So I'll give this a try. We'll see how that works. And if you want, I can do a, I will do a try on video, because I want this to be kind of a shorter video just to show you what I got, and then I'll make a face, because I have the brush, I have the primer, foundation, mascara, and I think I got 2 lip nope, I got 1 eye, so we can kind of do a look. I know I have, yes, I have Tarte. I did a full face of Tarte. Maybe I'll try different items than that one, so I'll have to go back and look at that one and remember which one I did, because I know I got a few more Tarte items that are new that I got. But anyways, okay, so the next thing is I got the Rainforest of the Sea H2O Gloss, and I got the shade Pink Sands. Let's see if it'll focus. No, I can't. My phone doesn't focus on things like that. So here it is. Oh, I open it and look. What would you think? It looked like there was water on it. But look at the packaging. It literally is water. Faux water droplets on it. Look at that. It's not gonna focus because my face. That is really cool. So here's the shade. That's a really pretty shade. Let's swatch this. No, this is probably the only thing. Oh, and the next thing is that's gonna be swatchable. So here's a nice little swatch of that. That's really, it's like literally a gold pink. It smells pleasant. I don't know like what kind. See that? Look. It's pink and then it's gold. I really like that. That's good. This is good. I don't know what the H2O means though. Let's see if it'll say. Nope, doesn't say anything. Really like this. That looks really nice and it smells. Oh, It smells like their Park Avenue Princess palette. I can just smell that all day. Okay, and the last thing I got is this Rainforest of the Sea Glass eyeshadow. And I got the shade Night Dive. So I know I just got some Rainforest of the Sea. Like, I think I got a concealer, maybe another mascara. I'll just show what I got in that. Why did I get that? I don't know, I'll have to look it up. So this is a eye topper. It is an eyeshadow, so look at that pretty color. Yeah, it's pretty. So let's swatch it. Let's see how well it goes. Ooh, it's like green. Oh yeah, it's pink with the green. It's like a duochrome with the green. I don't know. Let's see. Does it come off? Yeah, there. See? See, you get the true essence there. And that. And then when you hit the light, same with the lip gloss, you get the gold and the green when you hit the light, but when it's not. So it's like a... These two kind of go well together, don't they? Let's see. I'm going to rub it out. And we'll see how it looks blended out. Because that's how you can tell the... Because that's what you're going to do with it. You're going to blend it out over your eye. So, there it is. Wow. So, it's not as green when you blend it out. So, that's nice. It's that gold. That was really nice. I like that. So, that is what I got in my Tarte custom kit. And of course everything, the inside is purple. Like I told you before, purple is my favorite color. Maybe that's why I like Tarte so much. But everything will fit in this bag. I'm gonna leave this in its container. Brush, Foundcealer, put some in there, zip it right. Brushes. Let me reorganize it real quick. That is clown music for sure. So today is Wednesday, and these elections are trying. So here it is, it all fits. I mean, squeeze it down, you can still fit probably your blush, your bronzer, your concealer. So you could probably fit a full face. I still have them in all their boxes, so let's just take them out of the boxes. Because you know that's what I'm gonna do anyways. So the brush. So we'll go over it again. I got the Foundcealer Brush. I got the Gifted Amazonian Clay Mascara. I got the Foundcealer. I got the H2O Gloss. I got the Eyeglass eyeshadow. And then I got the primer. So this is all for, what is it, $69 plus tax probably. See? Now look at that. You still have all of this room up from here up. So you can fit your full face in here. If you're just like, it's time to go, I can do my makeup in the car. Boom. Alright, well, thank you for watching, and congratulations to the mystery box winner. I'll be contacting them through whatever medium they would like to contact me with. And I will be putting a clip at the end of this showing the winner. And congratulations to that person. And I love y'all. I love doing this. I love opening boxes and showing you. And soon I'll be putting on makeup. It's just been busy. We're about to go through a change in life. And so I will probably have more time to do makeup, but we will see. I love y'all, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. All right, this is going to pick the winner for the makeup box. And it is Dallas Ryland. Congratulations. If you can send me an email at simplemakeupmom2019@gmail.com with your information, and I will get your prize out to you. Thank you so much.